Hello and welcome to today's daily science revision task, which is to produce a flashcard on sewage treatment. Effluent from homes is put directly into rivers would cause a lot of problems. The material in sewage is broken down by bacteria. To do this, they need lots of oxygen. As the bacteria feed on the sewage, the river is robbed of its oxygen, so therefore any fish or other organisms within the river would die. Sewage is more than 99% water and comprises of liquid waste which is removed from toilets, wash basins, from sinks, industrial waste and from agriculture. Sewage needs treating before it's put back into rivers to remove harmful organisms and organic matter such as feces, leaves, paper and rags. If sewage is put into the waterways untreated, then the decomposer bacteria will break it down within the water. Decomposition requires oxygen, so large amounts of it will be taken out of the river, leaving the organisms within the river starved of oxygen. Sewage treatment aims to remove disease-causing organisms and decompose organic matter before it enters the waterways. The first thing that happens is screening, so sewage is passed through grids to remove large soluble objects such as nappies. Liquid sewage is passed along a narrow open channel. Heavier objects like grit and such forth will settle out. The liquid that is left over is left to stand. This allows the suspended solids to settle out to form a sludge. Settled sludge is then allowed to stand in huge tanks which are not aerated. Anaerobic bacteria will digest a lot of this sludge and will produce useful things such as methane that can be used to drive pumps. The liquid is spread over beds of coke by rotating arms. Perforated slides of the filter and the gaps between the coke allow air to enter and encourage aerobic respiration by bacteria. So the decomposers break down the remaining organic matter. Protozoa, roundworms and insect larvae consume the disease-causing organisms, so the pathogens in them. So now the remaining effluent is now clean enough to be passed back into rivers. Oxidation ponds, which is a newer type of sewage works, can also be used. So the liquid is pumped into a large, thoroughly aerated ponds to encourage aerobic bacteria and protozoa. Aerobic bacteria flourish, decomposing organic waste to carbon dioxide very quickly. The protozoa consume other pathogens, so the remaining sludge or effluent can now be passed back into the rivers safely. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.